2026 Belton District. It's a finals match one. Robowranglers and Appreciate both plowing through the neutral zone, gathering fuel. Robowranglers fires first, followed quickly by Full Metal Jackets for the Blue Alliance. Team Appreciate rounding out the three powerhouses in this match for the Red Alliance. As we head into the teleoperated mode, it's a sizable red advantage. Rebellion using their custom swerve drive to gather up fuel and shuttle it over to the blue side. Team Appreciate fires again into the Red Alliance hub just as it goes inactive. PastaBots taking shots at the Blue Alliance hub, but they just miss. Full Metal Jackets aiming true. Little bit of a tangle between Tigertrons and Rebellion in the middle of the field, but they've got that resolved. Tigertrons heading over to the Blue Alliance to hunt their prey. Team Appreciate on the Red Alliance scoring several fuel into the hub. Robowranglers trying to get their intake unjammed. Rebellion trying to interfere with both Robowranglers and Team Appreciate, but it looks like Robowranglers may not be able to fire. Team Appreciate reloads for some last second fires, but they just missed their chance. Over on the blue side of the field, Full Metal Jackets is nowhere to be found. They're on the red side. PastaBots fires for them, making almost every shot. Robowranglers gets their shooter fixed and unloads a volley onto the Red Alliance. PastaBots fires again. On the red side of the field, Team Appreciate and Robowranglers fire an absolute chaotic mess of fuel over into the Red Alliance hub. Rebellion and Full Metal Jackets trying everything they can to keep them from scoring. Full Metal Jackets trying to get fuel over onto the blue side of the field. It ends up over the guardrail instead. Team Appreciate and Robowranglers fire again as we go into the last 30 seconds of the match. Full Metal Jackets is full of fuel. PastaBots firing an undercooked volley into the Blue Alliance hub. Team Appreciate reloads again and lines up to the Red Alliance. Robowranglers trying to aim, and they both make it into the Red Alliance hub. 8 seconds left in the match. Full Metal Jackets trying to get their indexer unjammed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. $297 to $120. The Red Alliance wins this one, and they take a 1-0 lead here in the best 2 out of 3 finals. We'll be back for finals match 2 in a few minutes, but now it's time to hand out some more awards.